Alright. In my 2008, my bad. Ford Mustang, you know. Someone really hated it. Oh. But anyways, got a little issue with this timing belt. I hope someone knows what's going on. Sounds alright right now. But, hold up. This right here will start shaking in just a second. Just 1 second. I don't know what the problem is. I tried tightening this bolt up top, and that one down there, oh, sorry, that one down there, it didn't do nothing. It still shakes. Yeah, it goes. Yep. What's going on? Doesn't when I'm in drive, reverse, park. You know the deal. I don't know what's going on. Everything else looks fine on here. But it's this mall right here having issues. Giving me issues. Whew. I don't know what to do.